Words F. Fuel. The car ran out of fuel and had to be towed to the gas station. His ambition for success was fueled by his desire to make a difference. Fugitive. The fugitive was on the run from the law for several months. They were searching for a fugitive who had escaped from prison. Full-length. She wore a full-length gown for the formal event. The movie was a full-length film, lasting over 2 hours. In full. The team celebrated their victory in full, with fireworks and music. The report was available in full for everyone to read. Full-scale. The company launched a full-scale marketing campaign for the new product. They conducted a full-scale investigation into the incident. The car was fully equipped with the latest technology. He was fully prepared for the exam after studying all week. Fund. They decided to start a fund for the children's education. She donated a portion of her salary to a charity fund. Fundamental. Understanding grammar is fundamental to learning a new language. She believes that honesty is a fundamental value in any relationship. Funeral. The family gathered for the funeral to say their final goodbyes. She wore a black dress to the funeral as a sign of respect. The funeral service was held at the local church. He gave a heartfelt speech during the funeral service. Fungus. The gardener noticed a strange fungus growing on the plants. Mushrooms are a type of edible fungus. Funny. The comedian told a funny story that had everyone laughing. It's funny how life can change in an instant. Furious. She was furious when she found out about the mistake. The furious storm caused significant damage to the coastline. Furniture. They bought new furniture for their living room. The antique furniture gave the room a vintage look. The sofa was the most expensive piece of furniture in the room. Each piece of furniture was carefully selected to match the decor. Furnish. They plan to furnish their new apartment with modern pieces. The company will furnish all the necessary equipment for the project. Further. He decided to investigate further into the matter. The hiking trail continues further up the mountain. Furthermore. The report was incomplete. Furthermore, it contained errors. She's an excellent musician and, furthermore, a skilled painter. Fury. He expressed his fury over the unfair decision. The storm hit with all the fury of nature's power. Fuse. The engineer checked the fuse before setting up the device. A short fuse can be dangerous in certain explosive devices. She hopes to travel more in the future. The company is investing in technology for future growth. In future. Please be more careful in future meetings. They decided to adopt stricter policies in future cases. Fuzzy. The photo came out fuzzy, so I couldn't make out the details. She felt a little fuzzy-headed after waking up from a nap. Make a fuss. He made a fuss over the smallest things at the restaurant. There's no need to make a fuss about a minor issue. She didn't want to make a fuss about her birthday. The child made a fuss when his toy was taken away.